Universal is an acrylic water-based finish for interiors and exteriors. It's washable, opaque and semi-covering, ideal for creating sponging effects that evoke olden days. Before preparing the support and colouring any product, the decorating system requires the use of CeboSì undercoat, which is white in colour and is brought to the desired shade using CeboKit colouring agents in the same colour and dose that will be used in applying the finish. To ensure all the colouring agent is used, it is advisable to rinse out the container with water. CeboSì undercoat is applied in a single coat with a short nap roller. Once the CeboSì undercoat has been applied, Universal can be applied. The product is ready to use and is applied in one coat with a suitable brush or with a glove. In the former case, Universal is brushed on with crossed strokes on the surface, avoiding a regular checkered effect. When the brush is empty, it can be passed again over the surface to soften the brush strokes further. When applying with a glove, dip it in the product and spread with uniform circular movements, using a light touch with the hand as flat as possible. Universal is suitable for application in all environments. As the decor demands, it can give a finish in delicate, soft tones or lively and warm effects. Riflessi, a water-based washable acrylic finish for interiors, has metallic reflections. It too is ready to use and is applied exactly like Universal. It fits in perfectly with classic or modern decor. Thanks to the use of Universal with CeboAd additive, a special white or coloured additive, it is possible to obtain finishes that are delicate to the touch with deep colours. After the support is prepared with the application of CeboSì undercoat, first the CeboKit colouring agents are added to Universal and then, after it has been well mixed, CeboAd. This finish with additive is then carefully mixed until a homogeneous paste is obtained. At this point, the finish is ready for application with crossed brush strokes with a putty knife effect using a suitable brush. When the brush is empty, it is passed again over the surface treated to distribute the white or coloured particles evenly. On the basis of the environmental conditions, and in any case before the product dries, it is necessary to use a broad knife with crossed strokes on the surface, exerting slight pressure so as to show up and smooth the white or coloured particles. The application of Universal with CeboAd is particularly indicated for decorations that set out to recreate antique effects with warm and natural tones. Riflessi with CeboAd is applied in the same way as Universal, spreading the product and then passing over it with the broad knife and varying the pressure to show up and smooth the particles. It is used to obtain metallic finishes rich in chromatic shades. CeboTrend is a water-based decorative finish for interiors that allows many effects to be obtained, from delicate shades of the lightest colors to particular contrast and lightening in darker colors. CeboTrend is ready to use and is applied with a synthetic glove or brush on Fonder Plus, the white or colored water-based acrylic undercoat for interiors, with high covering power and white point and a smooth look. When applying with a glove, the glove is coated with CeboTrend and passed over the wall with light and uniform circular movements. After about 1 or 2 square meters, the uncoated glove is passed again lightly over the surface to even out the distribution of the product. For brush application, a medium-sized brush is dipped in CeboTrend, which may be diluted up to a maximum 5% with water and passed with cross strokes over the wall. After about 1 or 2 square meters, the empty brush is passed again lightly over the surface to even out the distribution of the product.